Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to Boom's channel. August 7th, 2021. I'm back to you guys with some more content. My name is Buddy Boom. I'm from Northwest Washington, father of five, and I'm a digital entrepreneur. I've been quietly making money from home for just about 11 years now, and I like to consider myself in the picks and shovels of this industry. And this video I'm about to show you guys today is the Power Lead System. Okay, so this marketing system is probably one of the longest that has been around, the longest over these years, and they've only gotten better over the years. Okay, so if whether you want to use the tools that this system provides to grow your business, or you want a business that's completely done for you, then the Power Lead System is the system that you're gonna wanna be a part of. Okay, so I really like the way the system, the way everything works with the Power Lead System. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna go to the. I guess I'm already there. I'm gonna go to the Click Easy button here. I'm in the back of the Power Lead System. It's my company, admin.com, and let's go click to the easy part. Okay, so it says get started in 3 simple steps. Okay, so I'm a goal. Actually, I'm a diamond member of the Power Lead System, so I'm positioned to earn unlimited $100, and I'm able to earn from the gold membership, which is the $50, 53.90 membership. So I'm getting $20 commissions, and the silver one where you can get $29 or 29 bucks, and that pays $15 commissions, and the lead lightning, which is a one-time $7 to get started. I can get $6 commissions with lead lightning. Okay, so when you get started with our lead system, whether that's lead lightning, the free lead system, or Power Lead System. Okay, so I'm a member of all three of those, lead lightning and the Power Lead System and the free lead system. The cool thing about the free system is, you can give this away for free. I'm going to click on this link right here. You get this away for free to other network marketers, and the exact system that I'm giving away to grow their business. Okay, so they give this away to other network marketers, and they can promote their primary offer. If they're using the free lead system, I'm promoting a Mint Builder. As you know, I'm promoting Mint Builder with a lot of my marketing systems. Okay, I'm promoting Mint Builder. So if somebody was to take the free lead system and use it, they would pass up every other lead when they're giving the system out. So every other lead would be passed up, and they could use the system too as a free member. There's absolutely they don't pay anything at all with the free lead system. They can give away, and every other lead they're going to be able to keep, and the ones that pass up are going to go to the sponsor, and that would be whoever gives it in the free lead system. And let's go back here, and then if they want to go to the next step up, that would be lead lightning. Lead lightning, typically works the same way, except lead lightning is a one-time $7 to get started. Let's go back here. I was trying to go to the lead lightning capture page. Post with coupon. Okay, so this is what the lead lightning capture page looks like. Let's go into put the verification in. If there's that out of the way. Okay. Here it comes. 3G, 2J, 3G, 2J. I hope this audio is a little bit better. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. I use my phone recorder. I'm on my phone, and I had to go through there and get rid of stuff, videos. So this thing looks like it's a business and box and create leads with Lead Lightning. Generate daily leads, and it has a professionally built-in written autoresponder campaigns to boost your sales. And also there's some testimonies right there. And there's no monthly fees with Lead Lightning, and it's just a $7 to get started. And you're basically gonna have a business in the box. You can promote any offer of your choosing, affiliate program, network marketing, MLM program, and you can get instant commissions with Lead Lightning that are ready to go sales funnel. And it kind of works the same way as the free lead system works, except you're not passing you're not going to give in your leads up. But what's going to happen with Lead Lightning, once you go up and promote your capture page, it's going to promote Lead Lightning on the first day when the emails are sent out, and on the second day it's going to promote your primary offer. Third day it'll to promote Lead Lightning, so it'll promote this marketing system and get unlimited $6 commissions. It's going to go off and on. It's going to promote Lead Lightning and it'll promote your primary business the next day. And that's how Lead Lightning works. Just $1 to get started. And you can, there's no monthly fees, and you're going to earn $6 each and every time you share this with other network marketers. And, that's the kind of the first upsell when you start the Power Lead system. Then it's going to ask you if you would like to join the Silver, which is $30 a month. That positions you to get $15 commissions, but it's going to tell you why it's more important to come in at the Gold membership, which is $30 a month, to utilize all these tools in the Power Lead system, and you'll be positioned to earn $20 residual income, and you're going to be able to get 50% matching pay from everybody on your team. So everybody that joins you with the Power Lead system, you'll get 50% matching pay. So if you get a member that joins you and they go Gold with you and they come in and make $1,000, you're going to earn $500 of that $1,000, and that's not going to be just one time. That's going to be for life. That's residual, because those $20 payments that come in when your members join under you, that's going to be every single month. You're going to get those $20 payments. And of course, you can build all types of different funnels in here. There's loads and loads of training in the back office of the Power Lead system. There's the VIP training. You're going to have access to the Max Time Guards, endless free leads. One of the great things I like about the Power Lead system is there's weekly hangouts. Okay, there's Wednesday hangouts where Franco does weekly hangouts. So he's going to be doing the promoting for you. That's all you got to do is invite people to the weekly webinar and send them to the webinar, and Franco's going to be doing the selling and the telling for you every single week. Just like clockwork, they never miss a webinar. They do the weekly hangouts, and it's all you got to do is send people to that hangout, and they're going to do the videos, they're going to do the selling and the telling for you on these hangouts. And there's all kinds of cool stuff on here. You got the built-in autoresponder with the Power Lead system. Go back to the back office here. Promote your business. This teaches you how to promote and generate leads online, how to generate leads offline. There's email swipes. There's the hangouts and live training. That's what I was just talking about. You can invite people to the live hangouts every single Wednesday, just like clockwork. They got the weekly hangouts. And of course, you got the famous face page that you can invite your members to also. This is a replay of the hangout. and play every single week. And so what you do is invite people. You can invite people and take replays. And one of the thing about the Power Lead system is you can start a free trial for a week. You test it out, test out all these tools, and you're gonna find out how powerful this really is. You know, it's only you can start off as a free lead system member, join at the Lead Lightning for one time $7, and just about everybody that becomes a Lead Lightning member, they do become a gold member, because you're going to be able to position yourself to get unlimited $20 residual payments. And this is this system has been around for decades now, and it's a proven system that works. They have the webinars that do the selling and telling for you. They have all these funnels, pre-made funnels. There's pre-made funnels for just about every company that's out there right now. You just got to find the share codes for them with the Power Lead system. And you're basically building a business by giving away the free lead system and giving away the Lead Lightning business, and then you just let the system do the upsells for you, do the selling and telling for you. They start off as a free lead system member. They upgrade to Lead Lightning, and some upgrade to Gold member, and others will upgrade up to the Diamond member, which is a one-time $147 to get started. That's going to position you to earn instant $100 commissions. There's another upsell, it's the $497, and that positions you to get $400 commissions. I'm definitely going to upgrade up to that $400 upgrade. There's even a $1,000 upgrade. Definitely going to upgrade up to that one. I'm going to do one at a time though. That's $1497. You earn $1,000 commissions. So Power Lead system, I don't do enough videos regarding Power Lead system. There's so much to tell in here, and what they urge members to do is go all green on here. Okay, so you add your domain. My domain is withcoachboom.com. So it's like $7 success with Coach Boom $7 success dot with Coach Boom with 3 O's BOOOME.com, and then you can affiliate go gold. Okay, so when you go gold, it's $30. Utilize the tools, then it's $23.95 for the affiliate fee. So basically that's like $55 rounded off to become an affiliate. That's what it costs to go gold. $55 a month. That's going to position you to earn unlimited $20 commissions. Then you add your picture there. That'll make this box go green. The free ad secrets, that's the diamond, going diamond. That's $147 one time, and you can earn unlimited $100 commissions. The Social Profit Academy, that's the $497. You earn $400 commissions plus 25% match, I believe, on these ones. And then it's the Master Graphic, that's the $1497. You earn $1,000 commissions on here. And there's also some new tools that were added on here as the Power Lead system too. There's new tools that were added on there. It's $105 a month. I'm still trying to learn about those, so I'm not going to go into that right now. There's some new stuff that's added in here though. So you got training. There's the training area, Social Profit Academy, free ad secrets, Max Steingart's endless free leads. There's going to be Endless Free Leads 2022 coming up here really soon. We're actually going to be able to have access to that as a gold member. That's coming soon. Endless Free Leads 2022. Shows you how to promote your business. A bunch of cool stuff in there. There's a Power Blog system. There's websites here where you can manage your domains, manage your web pages, and this teaches you how to build funnels. And then there's email text. You can make virtual postcards, e-cards, email forwarding, and text notifications. So I have this text notification too. That's one of the things I liked about this marketing system that not all marketing systems have, especially like I'm a part of All-in-One Profits. when somebody opts into one of my capture pages, I want to be notified by my cell phone when a lead comes in. Not all marketing systems do that. Like I'm a part of AIOP, that's the $10 marketing system. They don't have a notification that goes to your cell phone. I'm not bagging on AIOP because it's a really powerful marketing system, but they just don't have that that part right there where you get notification to your cell phone. And you come in here to the Get Started tab. That's where I'm at right here. You can go to start off right here is the companies that you promote. Click the easy button, and just come in. There's a video on how to do it. If you want to come in and promote the free lead system, just click the green banner, green box. You'll get the link. If you want to promote lead line or the power lead system, you just click the box. It'll be the link. Mine's PLS with CoachBoom.com. That's a new page that I showed with. It's the PLS interviews. I'll actually go into. I'll put the PLS interviews in the description also, because this has interviews with a lot of top marketers in the industry that use. Page. This is the PLS interviews, and just a bunch of different interviews with a bunch of top leaders in the power, and not just power leaders, but in this whole industry. You know, Bones Rodriguez, he's a top leader with Tesla, top leader with a few different companies. There's some other leaders in here. They're leaders with other affiliate programs. Just to shows you, if you're part of an opportunity affiliate program, that doesn't mean you have to keep all your eggs in one basket. Power lead system is actually a tool so you can grow any business. So if you're in crypto, you're in weight loss, you're in gold, silver, like I am, or picks and shovel marketing systems, you know, you can use the power lead system. It has a powerful compensation plan. You can be just a free lead system member and give away the free lead system to network marketers. You can be just a member of Lead Lightning and earn unlimited $6 commissions. You can be just a gold member. You know, it's up to you. You can use the power lead system just for the tools, pay the $30 a month, and not be an affiliate. If you want to be an affiliate, you do have to pay the $55 altogether every single month. That positions you to utilize the tools and be an affiliate and share it. That just means that you can make money with the power lead system. So I just wanted to drop into a quick video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My cell phone number is always in the link in the descriptions, along with my Facebook link. I'm going to put the free leads link in there, as well as the Lead Lightning and the Power Lead system. I'm going to put all those links in, plus the interview links if you want to check those out. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to walk you through on getting started with this. But Power Lead system is where it's at, guys. It's a done for you system. Like I said, you just invite people to check out the webinars, the hangouts, and all that. This is one of the better done for you systems that are out there. So you can earn unlimited $6 commissions. You can earn unlimited $20 commissions with matching pay. You can go up to Diamond and earn all the below plus $100 commissions. You can go up above me and earn even the 400 and 1,000 commissions. But the Power Lead system is definitely a great funnel marketing system. So with that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and definitely leave a comment with your thoughts. Alright, guys, I thank you guys for watching. This is my video for August 7th, 2021. Happy Friday night, Saturday. Hope you guys are going to have a good weekend. Alright, God bless. Love you guys. Peace out.